If you haven't done it already, I want you to open a profile on LinkedIn. LinkedIn lost some of its glamour under the wave of new social media networks like Facebook, Google Plus, even Pinterest and Instagram. But LinkedIn is still very strong, and I'll give you a demonstration very shortly. But first, let's see how to create an account. So you go to LinkedIn.com, and I can join LinkedIn today by creating an account. And I'm going to use my demo account. Okay, yda.tutorial@gmail.com, and set a password, join. LinkedIn, the advantage of LinkedIn is the fire and forget social media network, which means you don't have to update it all the time, though you can connect it to your blog or your Facebook account, or so you get automatic updates. But all you need to do here is basically just fill in a few details. Let's say blog. I'm just doing it for the example. Blog manager, YDA. Industry is education. Okay, create profile and get started by adding your email address. This is my email address. Continue. LinkedIn will guide you through a few steps. It's very self-explanatory, I would say. Can connect your LinkedIn account to your Google account, which will allow you to have direct contact with your Google contacts. Why not? Again, it's a demo. You don't have to allow it if you don't feel comfortable doing it. Okay, and I can skip this step now. And there are no contacts. That's why I'm getting this red alert here. Unable to find any contacts in your address book. Of course you can't, because it's a demo account. But otherwise it would have worked. The demo will run, blog manager at YDA, there's a message here that I can share on Facebook or on Twitter if I want to start getting contacts. Now it's much easier to make friends on Facebook than to get more contacts on LinkedIn. The process is more elaborate, and maybe that's for the best, because LinkedIn is known as a professional network. It's not a social network. Today there's a premium package on LinkedIn, which as a beginning user or just as an ordinary user, I wouldn't right now go for the premium package. I'll just choose the basic one. And this is my account. This is what you always see when you log into LinkedIn. And then from here on, you can elaborate on your profile. As you can see here, education, personal info, a job experience. I would highly recommend to improve your profile, and LinkedIn will guide you through this process. You see, you even have a to-do list here, which says update your experience and your education and your skills and more details. So I would definitely go with the steps that LinkedIn directs you or guides you, and go step by step and fill in your profile with as much information as you can. Even give it a full hour or 2 hours of working on it. But that's the last time you have to touch LinkedIn. And that's the big advantage. Now, I told that I will show you how strong this website still is. So I go on Google and I click, or I type in my name. Now I have profiles on all social networks, and the results are staggering. That LinkedIn ranks very high, together with Facebook, the two highest results. And you can see, for instance, that my Twitter account is somewhere at number 5. Pinterest is number 7. So Facebook and Google Plus, which I have an account on Google Plus, is not even here. And I'm searching on Google. Get the irony. So it's Facebook and LinkedIn, always top 2 results. And again, it's another way to control your name, to control your domain on the search engines, get more traffic onto your websites, because you can also add your website to LinkedIn, and just get more traffic and more leads. So take an hour to fill in a LinkedIn profile and just make your presence felt.